Kung sinong nakakaalam nito, sinabi ko na guys. So, ulitin pa rin natin. Please, kung sinong nakakaalam nito, please comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, ito guys. Dinal horse. Ay, iwan ko guys. Hindi ko to alam guys. Hindi ko pa to nagamit. Ma-expired and hindi. So, ito guys. Life boy. Aha. So, tatlo to guys. So, sorry. Tatlo to guys. Tapos, nagamit na namin ang dalawa guys. So, ito na lang na So,